Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to send videos on WhatsApp without reducing the quality. No blurry videos, no compression. Let's get right into it. Open your WhatsApp app. Tap the plus icon, or new chat icon, as if you're trying to open a new chat. Wait for your contact list to load, then search for your own name or number. Tap on Message Yourself. In the chat window with yourself, tap the attachment icon and choose the video you want to send. At the top of the screen, you'll see a quality option. Make sure to select HD instead of the default setting. Once you've selected HD, send the video to yourself. After it's sent, you can forward the HD video to your WhatsApp status or share it with other contacts, and the quality will remain high.